Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the Photoshop from the Google. You can download it easily. So first of all, what we need to do for using the clone stamp tool, we have to download the picture from the Google. So let's click on the Google. So now I'm going to write the pixels here, and after writing the pixels, I'm going to search for the pixel. I'm going to search for the like a bike picture. So let's search for the bike and press the enter, and after that we have to choose the image. So let's drag it, and after that, so choose the image. So I'm gonna choose it. For example, I want this one, so let's click on the download. So as you can see, the picture is downloaded. Now we are going back into the Photoshop, and after that we have to open the picture, and let's click on the open. Now go to the download section, and now we have to choose this image. Let's click on this. So as you can see, the picture is here. Now what we need to do, simply we have to click on the clone stamp tool. As you can see, here's the option clone stamp tool. We have to click on this. So the shortcut key of this clone stamp tool is S. So after clicking on this, now what we need to do, simply we have to set the brush size. So if you want to increase the brush size, you can also do that. Simply just click on this, or if you want to increase it, you can also increase the size from here. So now I'm going to click on this. So now what we need to do, we have to define the color that what we want to draw. Basically now it will draw the duplicate of this. So I'm going to draw this here. So as you can see, now it's doing, and now it's done. So as you can see, in this way you can draw a duplicate picture of, you can draw a duplicate shape of anything. You just have to follow my steps. You have to choose the image, and after that you have to click on the clone stamp tool, and after that you have to start drawing. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop. You just have to follow these steps. So see you guys in the next video.